Kuno Parlong Pitip ni em bakal soka Meghalaya kalau penmi yang Chief Minister Championship Challenge benai jeng kesan ni nong sengkam la dia jong kejela ki badan ni kam ki paper bakirpang bat ban penyak kemat ya ki kam lani ya kino ki badang susdang sengkam la dia tekan ni ka challenge kan kesan ya ki ha kino jeng ki baki ya syam ban yaram ban penyak ban penkiu ka kam jong ki da ka ba ailat ya ki ban sementa ha ka program ka ba khandai benai bala penyak da ka prime ki baki khot ka prime incubation program
Kajing mentai bagi kusnam, kajing kersan lang bagi keran, kwa arlak tengka nak bentaki arsan ngut kwa sakmat, kwa silak tengka nak bentaki arsan ngut kwa sedian. Sertifikat lang bagi sarkar Meghalaya, bagi IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. Kajing penyoluti, bagi kajing hikai nak bentah semen daki bro kiwa, banyak bagi wadatip ia kakam. Kajing hikai bagi training, bagi kena, mana lah kepor, beto haku penko ya kikam.
Ke prime yirap ku i ke kam pisah pilain haku i ki kenjagran ki lun wat ba ke poisa o sedang i ukhi ukhan ke prime yirap ku i wo penyo i ki yaw ki hat ha po ke jela wat sebar ke jela ke prime em go ke office krek kam yong ka ke wom em ka miusu hawan i ginu kenja training em gele ka sentar yong ka hapo shlong wa haturah
Kajing irap hakar kom ban songi kimar ban penyat yo yaki bat ban khring paidbah ki mar ki bangi penmi hi nang ta ngila yo ru ki jingkersan ka baidei bat ki an ki kanun kom ka GST ka fasai bat ki wei ru de kajing pau kman hakilat pathai khobor rengkat kajing penyat so bat ki
kalat ban yatrai ban so lang bat ki wei pat ki nang sengkam jong ka jela kalat ban yasi menta ha kajing le bisit shabar jong ka jela khnang begina ba kham susu khamba hang bajadei bat kajing seng kam la jong kisan pugut laga to hendet ki bom sim lajit sega to pupi ki yo ya galat buni orung ha ka free incubation hadin kajing pej benya
Kita apply ke ni kedai ki ban long ki belarang ba kedai ki nong saw senang pura jang kering dia kedai ban long ki nong senang jong ke jala Meghalaya
Kidai bandan ya ka kamla jong hapok ka jela bat kidai ban pen i ya ka jing mi na ka kamba ki tre kimar bat kedukam tre ki jong ki kidai ban long kham pher bat kerpang bat ka bala bangwan ra ru kilat yok kam yok jam hapok ka jela lada kinong apply kidai ki badan lupa ka kamla jong kadai bandan la kumnu klem palat ya ka handriusnan
Tisengih kam la jong ke paper bat ke bakirpang bat penkiu la dia bat ya ka jela Meghalaya tinai apsu bat tap nom menta link ba ka website www.primemeghalaya.com/cmecc bat kapo ban tap ya ka application kan kod haka khat santri unai lur ajar pulai ya don menta hak incubation program jong ka prime ban ngin kirsan ya phi ban penkiu ya kam jong phi sa ka wai pat ka sinjam
Ya gani ke travelers nest la plie do menteri rang ba ke jela ukonrat kongkal sangma Rengkat batu menteri ketenat Nongjngohkai pertai ke jela uba polling do UMLA ke Mawphlang uba Matthew Beyond Star Korba kiha officer sarkar bat kibai. Latte ya ke travelers nest lengba ke jingbai tengka jongka Meghalayan Age Limited lengba ke Meghalaya Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited. Haga jinglot ke bakot kendai pesau lak tengka bat haga ke travelers nest kidon santli giyang bat ke restaurant ban penbiang ke jingdon kam Nongjngohkai da ke jing temu ban kentiau ya ke kam Nongjngohkai pertai. Hagani ke sengi la plat paidbah ya pratli ke prime tourism vehicles ni kali ket iki Nongjngohkai pertai. Habakran ke jing yalang ukonrat kongkal sangma ula banjur ya ke jing don kam bhai kisnong kitau bani sim bentalang na ke bentaban kentiau ya ke yok kot jong ke jela. Ulong ba ke jela Meghalaya kan omla ban penurlong ya ke jing temu ban kiau saprang tang da ke jing tresitom hi ke sarkar. Ndai kam ke jing trailang jong baro ban penurlong ya kania da ke bai trailang. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong ba ke kam Nongjngohkai pertai kedai ke bakong sanbha bat kumta ke sarkar ke persang bantau kilat kelinti ban yo kam yo jam ke bakot silak ngut leng ba ke jing sangkam jong ki kenhon baper.
And I feel it's something that is not incorporated in the current design. But apart from that, I hope that the rest of the area will also develop. And really, I hope that local tourists as well as tourists from outside will come. 5 years will be one of the most defining moments for the state of Meghalaya. What we have achieved in the last 50 years, our vision for the next 50 years will be determined on what we do in the next 5 years. And that is the vision with which we are moving forward, but we can't do it alone. Big states, big economies, speak about their model. We hear the Gujarat model, we hear the UP model, we hear the Maharashtra model. I tell people, no state is the same. And hence, if we try to do a Gujarat model in Meghalaya, it won't work. Meghalaya is unique. Meghalaya has got its own strengths. And hence, we must realize those strengths, focus on them, and build our economy in a sustainable manner on those strengths that we have. And if somebody were to ask me, what is our biggest strength? I'll tell you. The biggest strength of Meghalaya is its communities. The way in the last many decades and centuries, the way our communities and the social structure in the community has upheld and worked and gone through the test of time to reach where we are today is testimony of how strong this institutional setup is. Will remember the experience that they have. The smile on your face is what they will remember. The kindness that you show towards them, that is what they will keep in their hearts. The kind of courtesy that you show towards them is what they will speak about when they go back home. And I think that is so important that we don't miss that part. And that's where the public and the community comes in. I urge all of you, have awareness programs. Discuss with the village. Discuss with each and every one. So that when the tourist comes here, they should go back with a magnificent experience. We want a magnificent Meghalaya. It will be only magnificent if each and every one of us is involved in it, and magnificent if our tourists who come here will have a magnificent experience.